This is Maths Worksheet 15. Let's recall the topic. Subtopic is word problems on subtraction. Here are some word problems on subtraction. First problem is to get 9500, how much we need to add to 3650. To get 9500, we should add some number, which is the number we should find out. So to get that number, we should subtract 3650 from 9500. By doing subtraction, we get the adding number to 3650. So firstly, we should subtract 3650 from 9500. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we should subtract from 5. Then it will be 10, and here we have 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 6 is also not possible. Then we have to borrow from 1000 place. It become 14, and this number will be 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. This is the number we should add to 3650 to get 9500. Let's check if it is right or wrong by adding these two numbers. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. 4 plus 5 is 9. So we got the given number. So this is the right answer. So we should add 5850 to 3650 to get 9500. Next problem. The capacity of water tank is 1000 liters. If there is 6658 liters of water already in the tank, how much water is needed to fill the tank? The capacity of a water tank is 1000 liters. Already there is some water, 658 liters. Remaining water we should fill to fill up the tank fully. So by doing subtraction from 1000 liters to 658, we get the remaining water to fill up the tank fully. So firstly we have to write the capacity of a water tank. Capacity of water tank is 1000 liters. The water in the tank, already the water in the tank is 658 liters. So by doing subtraction, this is the subtraction symbol, we should find out the remaining water to fill the tank fully is equal to, we should find out. For this we should subtract 0 minus 8 is not possible. That's why we should borrow from 10's place. It will be 10, and here we have 9. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. Here there is there is nothing in 100 place, or it will be 9 here by giving 1 to 10's place from 100 place. That's why here we have to subtract 1 from 1000's place. So it will be 9. 9 minus 5 is 9 minus 6 is 3. So to fill up the remaining water, to fill the tank fully, is 342 liters. Valli wanted to buy a freezer. Its cost is 9,500, but Valli has 8,250 rupees. How much amount is needed to buy the freezer? To which how much costs the freezer? 9,500, but Valli has 8,250 rupees only. So some more money needed to buy the freezer. How much money she needed to buy the freezer is we have to find out. So Valli, the cost of freezer we have to write first is equal to 9,000 rupees, 9,500. But Valli has 8,250. The amount she is needed to buy the freezer is, we should subtract. By subtracting we find out 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we should borrow from 100 place. It will be here 10, it will be 4. By giving one number, 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2, 9 minus 1 is 9 minus 8 is 1. So to buy freezer, Valli needed to 1,250 rupees extra. This is the answer. This is page number 21. Fourth problem. An auditorium has 1000 chairs, 658 tickets are sold. Calculate the tickets that are yet to be sold to fill the auditorium. Total tickets or total chairs are 1000. Number of tickets sold is 658. Remaining should be sold anamata. So by subtracting 0 minus 8 is not possible, that's why it will become 10 here, 9 here also 9. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3. The remaining tickets should be sold. Are 342. By selling 342 tickets, the auditorium should be filled for 1000 tickets or 1000 chairs. Next, fifth problem. Govardhan has to travel 549 kilometers. He traveled 532 kilometers on train. Calculate the distance yet to be traveled. So Govardhan has to travel 549 kilometers. He has to travel, but he traveled some kilometers on train. Remaining distance should be traveled, or we should calculate the remaining distance. So total distance is how much? Total distance is kilometer, 549 kilometers. He traveled on train is 532 kilometers. The remaining should be traveled by Govardhan. So 9 minus, we should subtract here. 9 minus 2 is 7, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 0 is 5 minus 5 is 0. So 17 kilometers remained. So Govardhan yet to be travelled. The kilometers are 17 kilometers. 17, if he travelled 17 kilometers, he reached the distance or he reached the destination.